Students, now we are going to solve the exercise 2A class 8 advanced maths question number 7 Roman 8. In my last video, students, I have explained up to Roman 7 of question number 7 exercise 2A advanced maths. Now today we are going to solve Roman 8, and the rest sum also we are going to solve today. Now let's have a look how to solve this one, Roman 8. Just have a glance of the question, students, as 8, 9, then 10, then 11, 12. These questions are there, and today we are going to solve one by one all the questions. Now we'll start from Roman 8 first. Student, there is a question of Roman 8. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. So student, now here going to solve the Roman 8. Look here how to solve this. So first of all, second bracket, then x square will write, and therefore root over 49. Now this is cube root of this value. I repeat again, cube root of this value. So this will write like x to the power 6, y to the power minus 12, and whole to the power 1 by 3. This is cube root of this, and then whole thing bracket half. Now in the next step, look, in the next step, second bracket, then x square, and root over 49. Now this will go for the multiplication like x to the power 6 into half, which means this value will go with multiplication with 1 by 3, and dot means into y to the power minus 12 will go for the multiplication with 1 by 3, which means this power will go with multiplication of 1 by 3 first, and y to the power minus 12, this value also will go for the multiplication with 1 by 3 first, and this will be here, and after that second bracket and half. Now look, there is a formula, student, don't forget. The formula is like this: a to the power m whole to the power n, which means a to the power m n. That formula I am using here: a to the power m to the power n, a to the power m to the power n. Since there is multiplication, so we can go for the multiply here. Now 6 and 3 will go for the cancellation. So after that there is a x square. Now root over 49, and 3 and 6 cancellation, so there could be x square, because 3 ones are and 3 to the 6. Now here y to the power minus 12, so if 12 divided by 3, then there will be 4, then whole to the power half. Now student, look, there is a root, so we have to remove the root here. Now how to remove this? Look here, x square, then root 49, then x square into y to the power minus 4, and this whole value under the root. So there could be, I will write that third bracket whole to the power half, then we'll write here third bracket, then whole to the power half. This half has come here, and this half is only for after removing the root over. I repeat again, this half has come from after removing the root over. So under the root, these values are there, you have written here. Now after that, in the next step, now look here, x square. Now 49 can be written like 7 square into, there is x square into y to the power minus 4, and whole thing under half means this value, and this whole thing under half means this value. Now this will go for the multiplication again. Look, by using the formula of that one, look here, using this formula we are going to multiply each and every term with half, and will cancellation. Now look, next one, after that there is x square, then 7 square into half, we'll go for the multiplication here, then 7 square into half, then into x square into half, then again y to the power minus 4 into half. Now after that this power will be here. Now next one, look, these 2 and 2 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, and there is 2 ones and 2 twos. Now next step would be, look here, now next step would be here that x square, now 7 into x into y to the power minus 2, then whole to the power half. Now this half has come here, this half. Now look, after that, in the next step, if I remove the bracket from here, then answer will be x square, then 7, then x, then y to the power minus 2, and whole thing to the power half, this value. Since these all are in multiplication, so we can remove the brackets easily. Now look here, x square and x, so if I add this value x square and x, answer would be x cube obviously. Now look how to solve this. Now look, after that, x square and x, so there is x square into x, now into 7 and into y to the power minus 2. I'm going for the interchanging here now. Now look here, base same power should be added, so next would be here 2 plus 1, there is nothing means 1, 2 plus 1 into 7 into y to the power minus 2, and there is half. Now this could be 2 plus 1 3, so x to the power 3 into 7 into y to the power minus 2, whole thing to the power half. Now we are going to split up one by one. Now look here, after that, now look here student, here now I am going to change the step here. So in the next step, going to split up. Now x to the power 3 into half, which means these 3 multiply with half, into 7 to the power half into y to the power minus 2 to the power half. Now look, this value, after that what will happen? Now look here, so 3 into half means x to the power 3 by 2, and this is 7 to the power half, and here 2 and 2 cancel, y to the power minus 1. Last line, this 7 to the power half means root over 7. I repeat again, 7 to the power half means root over 7 into x to the power 3 by 2 and y to the power minus 1. This is the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question. Now look student, this is number 9, and first of all student, before solving this one, I will use one formula here, that a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, that formula I will use here. Now look student, if I take this value as a and this as a whole as b, will be easier. Now if I use the formula, so answer would be like this, minus b whole square and minus root over b square minus 4ac whole square. Now look, I'm writing the formula here, a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. Look here, this is as a whole a plus b, a minus b. Now a square minus b square formula here. Now this could be very easy, minus b whole square, which means it become plus b square, because there is minus 1 and power is 2 means even number. If there is minus and power is even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 even numbers, then minus become plus. If there is minus and power is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 means odd number, then minus become minus. So there is b square. Now square and root cancel, so answer would be here only b square minus 4ac. Now next one would be b square minus b square, minus minus plus 4ac, cancel these two, and answer is 4ac. This is the answer of the question number 9. Now student, look the next one, number 10 question. So this is very easy actually. Now look, we'll go for the multiplication. M minus n we multiply with L first, then this value n minus L as a power multiply with M, and this value will multiply with n. So directly I am doing here now, a to the power m into L, which means ml minus nl, into there is a n m minus l m, next one ln minus m n. Now look, since there is base, power should be added, so base is a and all this power should be added, which means ml minus nl plus nm minus lm plus ln minus mn. Now look here, plus mn minus mn cancel, plus minus nl plus nl cancel, and minus lm plus mn cancel, which means a to the power 0. A to the power 0 means 1. This is the answer of the question number 10. Means anything to the power 0 is 1. Now student, look, that is question number 11, this question. Now look how to solve this one, this question number 11. Here think this one is as a whole a to the power 1 by 3 is as a whole a, and a to the power b to the power 1 by 3 is as a whole b. So answer would be, now let's see, and first of all we'll write here that a by a to the power 1 by 3 plus b to the power 1 by 3. This is the first one, and this one now here can be written like a to the power 2 by 3 can be written 1 by 3 and whole square, minus a to the power 1 by 3 and b to the power 1 by 3, and there is now next one here that can be written like b to the power 1 by 3 and whole square here. Now look student, this is the formula. Now what is the formula here? Look, I am writing one formula, after that I will complete the sum. Now look student, I am writing one formula here. The formula is actually a cube. Look here, I am writing here the formula a cube plus b cube equal to, the formula is a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula. Now look here, this is as a whole a, as a whole b, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So here I will use the formula that a cube plus b cube. So in place of this value I will use here now a cube. If this is as a whole a, so a cube plus b cube. This is as a whole a, which means a cube, and this is as a whole b means b cube. Now 3 and 3 cancel, so answer would be a, and here is b. A plus b is the answer. This is the question of question number 12 student. Now we are going to solve this question now. Here this 4 can be written like 2 square. 4 can be written 2 square, so 2 square, now 2 to the power n minus 5, and this value can be written 2 to the power n into 2 to the power minus 2. Just split up, and here also 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1. Now look after that students, from here if I take 2 to the power n common, 2 to the power n common, if I take 2 to the power n, so 2 square minus 5 into 2 to the power minus 2, there is 2 to the power n, then 2 square plus 2 to the power 1. Now these two will be cancelled. In the next step I can change the value like look here now, this 2 square is 4 minus 5, and this value can be written like 5 by 2 square. Here I am using the formula that a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. That formula I am using here, and there is 2 square. 2 square is 4 and 2 to the power 1 is 2. Now look here student, after that the next step would be, if there is 4 and minus 5 by there is 4, now 4 plus 2 here 6. We'll go for the LCM now. So LCM is 4 into 4 16 minus 5 here by 6. Now look, there is 16 minus 5, how much? 16 minus 5 is 11 by 4, and there is 6. Now this 4 will come down here, 11 by 4 minus 6, 16 minus 5 is 11, and by 4 here, then 6. Now this 4 will come down here, so next would be, there is 11 and this 4 will come down here, so we multiply with 6, so this could be 24. This is the answer of question number 7 Roman 12. Now student, look that number 13, this is the question. Now how to solve it? Look now, here first of all I will split up this one. 3 to the power n plus 5 can be written 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 5. Why? Because base same power should be added. That's why split up. Now 9 means 3 square. If it is 3 square and into this value will be here in the power n by 3 plus 2, which means these two and these two cancelled. Now come to the second line, which means in the denominator 7 into 3 to the power n plus 1 can be written 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 1. Base same power should be added, so using that formula we can solve it out. Now here 6 into 3 to the power n. In the next step, now next step, here 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 5 minus 3 to the power, there is n plus 3, and there is 7 into 3 to the power n 3 to the power 1 plus 6 can be written 2 into 3, and this value will be here 3 to the power n. Now next step, after that 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 5 minus this value, again we are going to split up 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 3, and there is 7 into 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 1 plus 2 into 3 into 3 to the power n. Now if I take 3 to the power n common, 3 to the power n common from the numerator and the denominator, answer will be 3 to the power 5 minus 3 cube, and there is 3 to the power n again. If I take common, then 7 into 3 to the power 1 means 3, and 2 into 3. Now look here, this one cancel, so answer would be after that 3 to the power 5 minus 3 to the power 3, and there is 7 into, look here, from here if I take 3 common, then 7 plus 2 will be here. If I take 3 common, 7 plus 2 will be here. Student, I am now going to change one thing here. This sign is minus, this sign is minus, as because in your book it is given plus, which is wrong. It should be minus, so make the correction after watching the video. This should be minus, this should be minus. In your book also the question is given wrong. This could be minus, and this also minus, and this also minus. And the last one here, this also minus. Now look after that, student, here 3 to the power 5 can be written 3 cube into 3 square, because 3 plus 2 5, and there is 3 cube, and there is 3 only, and 7 minus 2 is 5, so we'll write here 5. There is 3 and there is 5. Now look after that, here if I take 3 cube common, then 3 square minus 1 will be here, and there is 3 into 5. Now cancel with this one, so 3 square only here. Now after that, look, 3 square, there is 3 square into, there is also 3 square, means 9 minus 1 by 5. So next line would be here, that 3 square is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8 by 5, which means the answer would be 72 by 5. This answer is correct. In your book one answer is given which is wrong, so don't confuse that. If it doesn't match with the book, don't confuse, answer is correct. Moreover, you just make the correction in your book that this sign will be negative, not positive. In your book this sign is given positive, which is wrong. This should be negative, this one, this sign. So if this is negative, then this whole part is also negative. Student, now look the next one, that 14 number question. X to the power a by x to the power b whole to the power a square plus ab plus b square. Now look how to solve this one. It's very easy actually. First of all, student, if I take this value here, which means this become x to the power a into x to the power minus b, and whole to the power a square plus ab plus b square. Now look, since base is same, power should be added, so x to the power a minus b, and there is a square plus ab plus b square. Now look after that, as already I have written this formula here, again I am writing the formula. Look here, a minus b, a square then plus AB plus B square. This equal to, the formula is a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube, the formula. So in place of this one, I will just use the formula like x to the power a cube minus b cube. This is the answer of this question. Look student, the next one. This is the question number 15. Now look, a to the power x by a to the power y. So this can be written a to the power x into a to the power minus y. Since it is in the denominator, whenever it will go to the numerator, this becomes minus x to the power minus y. The formula is a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. That formula I am using here. And this power is x plus y. Okay, now come to this point. A to the power minus x into, this is a to the power minus y already here. So here I can write that a to the power minus, there is minus y. So this become a to the power minus y, because minus y is this one. And now it is again, look here, if there is y, when it goes on with the denominator become minus, there is minus y, so again with the minus. Now here the whole thing power should be x plus y given here. Now the next step, base same power should be added. So x to the power x minus y here, and there is x plus y into, again there is minus minus become plus, and there is minus x, and there is minus minus plus. So a to the power minus x plus y, and this become x plus y. Now look after that. Now look student, after that here a to the power x minus y, and there is x plus y into, now if I go for the interchange here, then a to the power y minus x here, then there is y plus x. Now look, one formula I am going to use here, that a plus b a minus b, which means a square minus b square. So that formula I am writing here now by the side of the page here, that a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. This is the formula. Now here after that, look, then if I use the formula here, then a plus b a minus b, which means a to the power a square minus b square into, here is also a to the power a plus b a minus b, which means a square minus b square. Now base same power should be added, so just go for the addition here. Base a, then x square minus y square plus y square minus x square. Now cancel all this, answer it become a to the power 0. A to the power 0 means 1. Now student, look, the next one is number 16, and the question is a to the power x by a to the power y whole to the power x plus y, and similarly also this one. Now this I'm going to solve. This is very easy actually. So we'll just change this numerator and the denominator, like a to the power x into, that is a to the power y. Now it becomes a to the power minus y. If the denominator when goes into the numerator, so it becomes minus. So by using the formula that a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n, that formula I am using here now, and whole to the power x plus y. Now here also a to the power y and a to the power minus z, and whole to the power y plus z into a to the power z, a to the power z into a to the power minus x whole to the power z plus x. Now look, after that base same power should be added. So x minus y and x plus y, base same power should be added here, y minus z and y plus z. Base same power should be added, z minus x, then z plus x here. Now look, again using the formula that a to the power x square minus y square. Look, y I am using the a plus b a minus b, which means a square minus b square formula. Here also same, a plus b a minus b, which means a square minus b square. And similarly here also a plus b a minus b, which means a square minus b square. Now look, if it is like that, then base same power should be added. So a to the power x square minus y square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square. Now cancel this one, plus minus, again plus minus, again plus minus, cancel. So answer would be a to the power 0. If it is 0 means 1. This is the answer of the Roman 16. Just I am writing the formula here so that you will not get confusion. Like the formula is, since a plus b and a minus b, there will be a square minus b square, the formula. Look student, this is the last sum of question number 7, and this sum is quite important and quite different also. Now look how to solve this one. First of all, ab root of k to the power a by k to the power b, which means ab root over k to the power a, and this will go on with the numerator, so it becomes k to the power minus b, into bc root of k to the power b, and this will go in the numerator, then k to the power minus c, ca root of k to the power c, then it will go on k to the power minus a. Now look after that, if base same power should be added, so ab root over k to the power a minus b, then bc k to the power b minus c, and there is ca k to the power c minus a. Now look after that, here in the next step, k to the power a minus b and whole to the power 1 by ab, just removing the root of, if there is 3 then it becomes 1 by 3, if there is 4 then become 1 by 4, if there is 5 then become 1 by 5, but here it is given ab, that's why 1 by ab. Now here also k to the power b minus c whole to the power 1 by bc, and k to the power c minus a whole, it becomes 1 by ca. Now look after that, go for the multiplication with the power, so k to the power a minus b by ab into k to the power b minus c by bc, and k to the power c minus a by ca. Now look, since base same power should be added, so k same, which means a minus b by ab plus b minus c by bc plus c minus a by ca. Now we'll go for the addition here by taking the LCM. So power should be same k. Now LCM ab, bc and ca, and LCM would be abc here, abc, ab, bc and c, LCM is abc. Now ab and ab cancel, there is c only. I repeat again, ab and ab cancel, there is c only. Now with the multiply a minus b, so if c go for the multiply with a minus b, then ac, look here, a minus b, then bc cancel, there is a only, go for the multiplication b minus c, then ca cancel, remaining is b is go for the multiplication c minus a. Now next step would be k to the power, there is abc, now ac minus bc, go for the multiplication, ab minus ac, then bc minus ab. Now look here, bc and bc cancel, ab and ab cancel, ac and ac cancel, so remaining part would be k to the power 0 by abc, which means it is also is 0, k to the power 0, k to the power 0 means answer is 1. This is the answer of the last question.